Howdy Jay, here's your 572 Hemi. Okay, kind of give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of Indy cylinder heads on it. It's got a Bill Mitchell aluminum block, custom grind solid roller, obviously the beautiful BDS blower, 2 quick fuel carburetors on top of it. Got your motor plate on it. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Go 3,694 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 832, peak horsepower 912, so everything runs good. What we do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things. When you see your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. Here we'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, that'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.